In the past, I've always gone with cheap screen protectors, and look at all the peeling around the top, and you can probably see all the finger smudges and the scratches and everything on there. This time I decided to go with the Spigen Easy Fit privacy glass. Look at that, it's perfect. I'll just show you the privacy. So you can't see it when it goes to the side. Let me show you how the install went. So out of the box, they give you all the tools you're gonna need to install. You got this tray, which will make it easy to go on. One, we'll go with a cleaning wipe. Special tray here. Never done none of these before, so let's see how this goes. Peel off the back film. Then we want to line that up, super simple. Press it on, press here, slide, and wait 30 seconds. Remove this sticker. Pull that off, set the film off. And it's time for air bubbles. Look at that. As a starting point, in terms of air bubbles, there's hardly any already. Comes with this tool. And there we go. Done. That was super easy. Look at that. No more prying eyes. Perfect.